friends, it's me, Poonam from Cyberscam Review. Is it true that VoltBox assists you in reducing your energy bills? Is it energy saver useful? Or is it just another consolation prize? I am here to give you additional information related to VoltBox review. If you are considering buying the VoltBox energy saving gadget, we strongly advise against it at the moment. There are many discrepancies between the product and the internet reviews. With new internet frauds emerging every day, we have taken on the responsibility of evaluating goods, shops, websites, and other services in order to protect you from making bad choices. This product evaluation acts as a wake-up call. We are praying for a safe and timely arrival of everything. One of the reasons this gadget is causing such a stir on the internet is because it claims to save you up to 90% on your energy bills. Additionally, the VoltBox energy saver is being offered at a 50% discount. Additionally, when you make a larger purchase, you get a greater discount. While this website seems to be legitimate, you should use caution in determining whether or not this gadget will really save your electricity. Is it necessary to be concerned about getvoltbox.com? That certainly is the answer to the question. The website's claims are wholly fabricated. Make no mistake about the term VoltBox. To deceive customers, the gadget was given the identity of a genuine Australian energy supply business. This gadget is unrelated to the abominable power provider. There are following reasons why you should avoid purchasing any energy saving gadget. It saves little, if any, energy. When the item is removed from the box, you will see that it is a capacitor linked across the power line. While this may provide some power factor adjustment, you are not charged for reactive energy in your house. As a result, you incur no savings. Additionally, the gadget capacitor consumes about 100 mA of capacitive current by the line. This capacitor will eliminate any inductive current drawn by a device drawing less than 100 mA. It will not drain any more power when you need it. Even if no changes are needed, it will continue to draw current. It seems to have just enough impact to keep the advertisements from being totally deceptive. But the gadget is otherwise completely worthless. The one thing I couldn't discern from the official website video, and which the presenter omitted to mention, is the capacitor within the Watt Rescue really rated for AC line connection? Is there a risk of fire if a lightning strike occurs nearby? I am unsure if the capacitor is safe since it is spotted in epoxy. For safety reasons, capacitors connected directly to the alternating current line must have a X rating. Online positive reviews. Positive online reviews that aren't genuine positive internet reviews, both on YouTube and on blogs, are entirely fraudulent. This is because the contents were almost identical, copied and pasted with little modifications. Additionally, we have seen many of this kind of evaluations using the same gadget, and they are all identical. Is the VoltBox Power Saver a cost-effective device? No. This is the response to the question. There is no way any device this size can maintain a home electrical AC power supply or achieve the promised savings. You should be informed. Electrical consumption is estimated based on the overall amount of energy used, not on the phase corrected VAR. 230 to 240 VAC appliances such as water heating, cooking, drying, clothing, air conditioning and heating use the majority of electricity in homes. No item connected to a 110 to 120 VAC outlet can reduce energy consumption. In the same way, that equipment connected to each 120 VAC lag delivering 240 VAC electricity through phase correction methods can. The reality is that energy saving gadgets such as VoltBox and other are dangerous, posing a fire or electrocution risk. These gadgets come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they all seem to have a common cause: casing. Numerous customers claim that these gadgets do not save energy or help them save money on their power bills. Therefore, what are the most effective strategies for conserving energy and lowering electricity bills? These solar energy systems are available for purchase. These gadgets may assist you in saving a significant amount of money on your energy cost. If you have any more questions about the product, then leave a comment below on our official website and we will get back to you at the earliest. Thank you.